Are you interested in kayaking on Kauai? Look no further than Kayak Wailua for one of Kauai's top attractions. We are family owned and operated since 1997. Explore the Wailua River in our fully equipped and comfortable single, double, or triple seat kayaks. We also provide waterproof bags for your camera and towels, as well as insulated cooler bags for your refreshments. Our friendly and experienced guides are ready to share their extensive knowledge of history and legends about the Wailua River Valley while you kayak on Kauai. After hiking through a tropical rainforest, enjoy your refreshments at a spectacular waterfall. While on Kauai, visit fabulous hiking trails, secluded beaches, coastal camping areas, and enjoy many popular activities. The beautiful Wailua River is calm with no noticeable current and is beginner friendly for first-time paddlers. KayakWailua.com is proudly rated #1 on TripAdvisor with more than 2,000 5-star reviews. For more information on kayaking on Kauai, please call 808-822-3388 or visit KayakWailua.com.